Hi, it's Maria, and in this video I want to demonstrate how to come into reverse table as well as reverse plank, which builds up a lot of strength in your arms and also core strength. Let's get started. Come to sit on your mat, feet on the floor, knees bent, feet about hip distance or so. Now take your hands alongside and behind the hips. You can face the fingers forward, out to the sides, or back. So that really depends on what feels more comfortable for your wrist. I choose to have my fingers pointing forward because that works for me. Press down into your feet, once again, feet at hip distance, and prepare to push yourself up by engaging through the legs. Press the feet into the floor and lift the hips. As you do that, make sure your knees are over your ankles. If they're not, you may need to adjust the feet so that they are. Continue to hug the low belly in and up and open up through the chest. Hold it for a few breaths, and when you're ready, lower your hips. So that is reverse table. Now, if you like, you can take a block and place it between your inner thighs, hugging the block in to get a little more activation in your core and in your inner thighs. Lift into your reverse table and really squeeze the block in so that nobody can take it away from you. You're really hugging that block into the body, or hugging the legs into the block, I should say. And then lower your hips and remove your block. Counter stretch your wrists by turning the palms up and stretching them out. And we'll go into reverse plank. So that is the same thing as reverse table with the hand position. Extend the legs forward, press into the floor with the heels, and lift the hips off the ground. When you lift, make sure your shoulders are over your wrist and that you are extending forward so that you are in a nice long line. Sometimes you need to walk your feet forward a bit. Open up through the front and lengthen through the back of your neck. So you don't need to send the head all the way back, but rather continue to look up towards the sky so that the back of the neck stays long. And you can point the toes forward or up, whatever feels good. I prefer pointing them forward. Make sure that your hips are not dropping and that you're in a nice line all the way up. Work on lifting from the low belly, from the hips. And notice how that feels. After a few breaths, release the pose and counter stretch your wrist. Maybe shake them out, give them a little wrist massage, whatever you need. So those are reverse table and reverse plank. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to leave any comments in the comments section. I will see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.